Gardyn Plant Belt Review, everything you need to know. Introduction. The Gardyn Plant Belt is a revolutionary hydroponic solution designed for indoor gardening. It offers the ideal setup for growing herbs, leafy greens, and small vegetables, making it perfect for those seeking fresh produce at home. With its compact, space-saving design, the Gardyn Plant Belt fits seamlessly into any home environment. Blending art and science, its sleek and intuitive design combines aesthetics with functionality, bringing innovation and greenery into your living space. What is the Gardyn Plant Belt? Vertical hydroponic growing system with a space-saving layout. Smart technology, real-time plant health monitoring. Automated watering for optimized growth conditions. Accommodates various plant types, herbs, greens, small vegetables. Energy-efficient LED lighting for photosynthesis. How does the Gardyn Plant Belt work? Hydroponic system, plants grow in a nutrient-rich water solution. Vertical design maximizes space and light exposure. Automated watering system for low-maintenance care. Smart sensors track plant health and adjust growth conditions. Integrated app for remote control and progress tracking. Benefits of using the Gardyn Plant Belt. Resource conservation, uses less water than traditional gardening. Pesticide-free, no soil means fewer pests, reducing chemical use. Year-round harvests, grow organic produce indoors all year. Space-saving, compact design transforms small spaces into gardens. Sustainable living, promotes self-sufficiency and environmental responsibility. What can you grow with the Gardyn Plant Belt? Popular herbs, basil, mint, cilantro, parsley, chives, dill. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, lettuce, arugula, Swiss chard, bok choy. Microgreens, microbasil, amaranth, sunflower shoots. Edible flowers, nasturtiums, pansies, violets for culinary use. Setting up the Gardyn Plant Belt. Choose location, place near natural light, preferably by a window. Assemble carefully, follow instructions for stability and functionality. Prepare the pockets, fill with seeds or plants, allowing room for growth. Connect to the Gardyn app, customize settings for each plant, monitor growth, and receive expert tips. Gardyn Plant Belt maintenance tips. Monitor water levels, ensure the reservoir is filled to avoid dehydration. Use the app, track plant health and adjust conditions based on app recommendations. Clean the system, periodically clean the reservoir and check for clogs. Inspect for pests, regular checks for pests or diseases help maintain plant health. Prune regularly, trim plants to encourage growth and prevent overcrowding. Troubleshooting common issues. Overwatering, avoid root rot by adjusting watering schedules via the app. Pests/diseases, identify and treat pests early with natural remedies. Environmental conditions, monitor temperature and humidity for optimal growth. Garden support, access customer support for complex issues or troubleshooting. Gardyn Plant Belt versus traditional gardening. Water conservation, garden uses significantly less water. No soil, reduces soil-related issues like erosion and pests. Space efficiency, vertical design fits small spaces, ideal for urban environments. Automated systems, offers more precision and ease than manual gardening. Year-round growing, no seasonal limits for plant cultivation indoors. Conclusion, the future of home gardening. Gardyn Plant Belt, an innovative, sustainable, and efficient solution. Encourages self-sufficiency and connection with nature. Perfect for fresh herbs, greens, and a variety of plants year-round. Combines technology, sustainability, and aesthetics for a better home gardening experience. Thank you for being part of our YouTube community. Your support means the world to us and keeps us motivated to share fresh content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected as we continue to grow together. We appreciate you being on this journey with us.